I put in an order for some Haitian food, and this is from a place called Little Taste of Home. They're based out of Brockton, Massachusetts, and they deliver it right to your door. So I got homemade Haitian food right to my door. This is the platter. I got John, I got griot, I got some bun on right here. Also, I got some pickles and some sauces, right? The works. I got pate codé bigger than my head right here. The rice is looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So let's try this rice out. Nice little kick to it, perfect season. It's not dry, it's the perfect amount of moistness. Rice is busted. Let's put some sauce on here. My God. When they say they made this with love, they ain't playing. We're gonna put some pickles on here. Bun on the grill with the pickles. You do gotta put your order online and they deliver it right to your door, or you can go pick up. These are cooked perfectly. She also gave me the sauce. I'll try it with the sauce. What? It's like a secret sauce. I don't know what it is. Oh my God. Has like a little smokiness to it. Look how tender it is. It's just falling apart. This has to be the best Haitian food I've tried out here. I also got the fritai plate, which brings chicken and it brings bun on as well. Let's try it out with some pickles on top. Literally just fell off the bone. I know it's gonna hit with this sauce. I'm definitely gonna put her link on my bio so y'all can place your order and try this out. This one is crazy right here. Look at that. Packed, bro. The best Haitian food I've ordered in Boston so far. Especially this patty. Insane. Cheers. The portions are insane, so be prepared. I also got the strawberry lemonade. Little lemons in there. Let's try it out because I'm parched. Super fresh. You can tell she makes it with like her own fruits and stuff. Amazing. You can tell when someone takes pride in their business, for sure. 9.8 out of 10.